Hello, myself, Professor Disha Dudley of System of Science Department of Computer Engineering. Today we are discussing basics of programming languages. Programming language we see the planning concept. In planning concept we will see what is the algorithm, what is the program, what is pseudocode and the flow. These are the course that we use for program planning. What is a program? Programming is a set of instruction that will be given to the computer that will be solved one by one, and this is the concept of process of writing the program is called program. The next one is algorithm, is step by step instruction that will be solve a particular problem. That will write the algorithm in simple English language, but in a stepwise way. If the step will be jumbled or toggle, the problem will be not solved. So the program must be for each input produce the output. Efficient means what, run quickly as possible, and it will take a little memory and less time to execute. That is nothing but efficient. There can be many different algorithms for computational problem. It's the same problem that can be solved in many different ways. We have to find it on the efficient one with the help of the complexity, time and space. Then how to write the program with the help of these tools, algorithms, pseudocode and the flowchart. So first of all, you have to use the algorithm. You have to write in a simple English statements. In pseudocode, you have to use the English language and the some formula you have to use that. Then after that, whatever the writing in the algorithm and pseudocode, you have to represent in the pictorial representation. After representing the pictorial representation one by one, here symbol represent in the computer programming language. So it is very easy to write the program in any programming languages, and it is very easy to debug that code. What is pseudocode? Pseudocode is a simple, we already discussed, writing a simple English language. The instruction for the recipe, just any recipe you have to follow that, you have to use the step by step recipe, so it will be create a good recipe, otherwise it will be some problem will be occur on that recipe. So we have to follow some sequence on that recipe. So for example, we have to performing this addition of two numbers. So for the addition of two numbers, we have to further two numbers. So this first we have to start it with our program. The second step we have to get the two numbers. Then we have to perform the addition of them, and then we have to print that answer. So in the 5 steps we can solve that problem. And the same problem to represent a pictorial representation. The first step, that is the start, represent in this way. Second is to get the two numbers, that is the parallelogram. Next with the processing box, we will perform the operation. Again, get the two numbers, it is the input, and you have to print the output of the whatever the answer will be, the output. So again you have to and end symbol. This end symbol and the start symbol both are the same, and input output for the same for the processing with the rectangle. Then after that, these are the symbols, basic symbols of the, there are many symbols in the flowchart, but these are the basic 4 symbols in the flowchart. First, start line, second is the input output that will be represented by the parallelogram, processing that will be represented by the rectangle, decision that will be represented by the kite or diamond symbol. We already discussed, this is the beginning and end of the symbol. This is the process that will be executed performing operation, arithmetical error, square root, otherwise calculation of the area of any triangle, rectangle or circle. Then after that, this is the input output symbol. In order to get the input and printed output the parallelogram. Decision means what? Decision means have some condition and the answer will be in 2B, more than 2, that is more than 1, that is yes or no. So for this decision you have to use the kite symbol. Then language means what? For the communication you have to use the language. When it want to the community that use, they can communicate with the help of the language. Similarly, the computer and the programmer that can communicate with the programming language. Programming language means the user will give the instruction to the computer, and the computer will be follow that instruction to perform the particular task that is given by the program. Then programming language are divided into 2 parts. Low level language and high level language. Low level language are categorized into 2 parts: machine level and assembly language. These are the low level language. Then another is a high level language. The machine language and assembly language, these are the most dependable. One separate in one system that cannot be run by the another system. And high level language is the independent language. This is the first generation language, and a machine language is written in zeros and ones form only. Opcode and the address, opcode and operand that will be used. Opcode means the operation of the perform, and operand means with on which operator to perform the operation. We have to write in multiple zeros form. It's very difficult to debug the errors in this language. Then next one, assembly language. This machine language is understanding the system, so it is run directly. And another language, the assembly language, that is the assembly language not understandable by the system, but we can convert that language to machine language. That is the assembler for that. In assembly language, that use the mnemonics. Mnemonics means for the output, we have to use the word, and it is very easy to remember, and you can write the program, you can easily solve that or debug that error. It's a high level language. High level language is the independent level. You can write any system, they can run execute another system. It's easier to read, write, maintain, and machine assembly language. It's like we have to use the two different translators. The compiler means one wants to translate, hold the file at a time, and it will zip file. And we'll solve that error if I here, and it will be the number of lines. The interpreter will not do that way. It will be translate one by one line and execute on the same time. But when you have to run the same program number of times, in number of times it will be transferred and execute. This is the drawback of the interpreter. Structure programming to the we use structure programming for the auto programming. In structure programming, you have to use the sequence selection. These three structure and we have to use for all the programming. Sequence for all the instruction will be executed one by one sequentially. Selection means what if the decision is there, condition is there, depending on the condition, it will execute the one of the instruction, and another instruction will be ignored. Repetition is one of the statement will be executed number of times, that is called a repetition. For the repetition, you have to use the concept do while, do until, for loop, and for the control structure, you have to use the if, then, else. If conditional, then it means the two parties is else means the first party. Sequence and sequential to be executed. Then procedure language, same language, the concept is reading the data but writing different things. This is the same. This is the different. This is the differential. Same language, you have to use the sequence, selection, and repetition for that. And this is the structure. If the control structure, you have to use for the sequence, selection, and the repetition. Thank you so much for listening.